Had the owner have known this literally 10-second fix, they would have saved themselves a huge amount of money, amount of time, and frustration. If you can get on top of this right away, it's never going to happen. This is a $600 mower, but I've had mowers that are over $1,000, and it's not just mowers. Any engine that runs on linkages and cables will have this issue. And I think the reason why people throw them away is because it's a progressive issue. It starts off a little bit tricky to start, and over the months it gets worse and worse and worse. And I think eventually the owner just gets fed up with it, they throw it away. As I actuate the choke linkage, you can see that it's not fully closing. And it can be a number of reasons. It can be rust, it can be sticky linkages, it can be bent linkages. In this case though, it's not. As that cable has stretched and it's actually moved slightly, the sheathing is slightly moved, it can't bump that choke all the way closed. And if you aren't choking the engine, it's going to be almost impossible for it to start. So what we need to do in this case is loosen the 8mm screw. We're going to pull that cable back, and as you can see now, we're starting to get that full range of motion from the choke, and then we're going to tighten it back down. It is that simple. A stretched cable or one that's moved slightly in its housing has caused this mower to be thrown away. Had the owner have known this fix that literally takes just a few seconds, their mower would have been as easy as any other new one to start. This video here is how to clean, disassemble, reassemble and inspect the most common type of carburetor you're going to find on your 4-stroke engine. And I go through in great detail each and every aspect, each and every drilling and each and every part so that you know exactly what to clean, how to clean, and if something isn't going quite right, you can find out and understand exactly why that's happening.